come out.
The window is not there,
Deva, you are telling
I
something?
think.
Sir, are you writing, sir? It's not visible.
Oh, sorry. My
Sir,
bad. Sorry. Can you see it? See now screen? Can you see my screen
Yeah.
now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, sorry. So in fire alarm, what all the things will come? First is fire alarm panel. Okay. Second is what? Detectors. What type of detectors? Smoke detectors. Heat detectors. If you have multi detectors, MCP, manual call point, router. What else? Any module is required. Okay. Whether it is your monitor module, control module, relay module, isolator module. I'm writing in short already, you know the terms, right? Next, you have a cable. These are the things it is required. Now quantity, randomly I'm just putting a quantity, just tell you how it works. Okay. So for example, in our project, we have uh, around 600 detectors. Okay. Smoke detector, 200 or 50 heat detectors, multi detectors, 40, 50 numbers I'm putting it. Okay. MCP, 10 numbers, footer, 10 numbers. Okay. Relay module, something we have different type of modules. Okay, like isolator module, for every 200 detectors we have to put, for every 20 detectors we have to put one number, so 700 we have. So 700 divided by 20, how much it will be? Roughly 35 isolator module. Monitor module, based on the flow switch, how much number of flow switches there, that you have to calculate. For example, I'm taking 25. Okay, relay module, 5 numbers. Control module, same 10 numbers, because footer is 10. So I'm taking control module 10, and this is the relay module. So total is how much? 75. I'll take 75. Cable, cable you have to calculate. Okay, using the drawing. Okay, thumb rule basis I'm calculating. I have 700 detectors, and distance between two speaker is, for example, 6 meter. This is the cable. And vertical also, number of flows we have to take, right? How many number of flows are all those things that we have to calculate. For example, 10 flows are there. 10 into 990, 10. How you'll calculate floor, floor wise? Like 10 floor are there. 10th, okay. 9th, 8th, 7th, 6th, 5th. Okay, child's. third floor, second floor, first floor. This is floor wise cable, vertical cable. So total 10 floor, 10 into 3, 30, 30 meter. Next, one floor, one cable will reduce. So 27, now 24, okay, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3. 1 minute. One schematic I'm just showing you. Right. So cable will be like this. Like this, it will go. Or okay, so these are the different type of cables. So imagine one floor we are reducing. Okay, here 30 meter it will go. Now after that it will be 27, like this it will reduce. So this is one cable. So how many number of cables are there that you have to see? Getting it? So if you add all this, 165 meter, one cable is there. So how many cables are there that you have to see? This is one cable which we did. 10 floor, this is one. For example, 5 cables are there. So 500 roughly you take. So 500 for vertical. Total cable is this much. Some 10% extra will take. So around 408. You have to mention the units. This is a number. And 1 meter. Again, this is a number. So now we have 700 things, right? Detectors. Now in one loop, I can use 99 detectors plus 99 device. Okay, detector means this detector, which one? Device means MCB, HOTR, these are device. So 99 means here I have almost 700, right? So 99 means 700 divided by 99 if you do. You will come to know the 7 number of A required. Okay. Minimum 7 loop is required. So I'll take 8 loop panel. This is for addressable. Clear? Any doubt till now? Anup, Deva, Navya.
No, no.
Next is okay. Next is same thing I'll do with addressable, conventional. So in conventional, it will not come loop. Okay, it will come zone. How many zones, right? So that will calculate. And in conventional, you will not use modules mostly. All you will use normal conventional devices. So cable may or may not be same. Same you take it. Devices I'll keep it same. MC motor same. Now zone. So we'll add all this. Okay, and see 700 is there. So 700. One zone. How many detectors you can connect? Already I've told. Can you check and tell?
20.
20. Very good. So 35 number of zones. So I'll just take it a little bit higher. Around 40 zone I'll take. Clear? 40 zone panel. One number I require. Smoke detector, heat detector, multi-detector. Okay. Any module not required. I think MCB hooter and all will come in this. Clear till now? Next is PA. PA system. Now for PA, what all the things will be there? First is console. Then you have amplifier. How much watt amplifier? Okay. How many zone console? Then speaker cable. What type of cable? 2 core, 1.5 square mm. Okay. A normal cable. Right. Speaker, for example, we have 100 number speaker. So speaker 100 number means 100 number speaker, each speaker 6 kilowatt watt. So it will be 600, right? Just multiply by this 600. So 600, I required amplifier of 600 watt. One number. Then how many nozzles? Zone. For example, we have to see how many floors are there, all those things we have to see. For example, which this schematic I have opened, and use this. So this is one line. This is one line, 2, 3. So all floor I'll take one zone. Okay. So 30 floors are there. So I'll take 30. So here you see different floor they can connect to one zone. Yes. One zone you can take. Okay. Console, talk back. You can take one like this I was telling. So each speaker you take two speaker, take one zone. So here what is the number of floors? So 27. So 27 each have two. 27, 54 roughly. Not mentioned. Roughly 54 zone in this case you will get. So take it a little bit higher, 60 zone, you take it. Clear? So like this you have to prepare the BOQ. Any doubt?